Hello. So, last class you worked with equations that had one radical sign. This time there's two radical signs. And in many respects they're even easier because you have a radical equals a radical. All you need to do is square both sides, which cancels the radical, and you have b plus 4 equals 2b minus 2. And then you're just solving that equation. Get all your b's on one side. So we have 4 equals b minus 2. Get b by itself, so we'll add a 2 to both sides. And we get b equals 6. Again, when you have a radical equals a radical, we square both sides. So we get a minus 1 equals 15 minus a. We need to get all our a's on one side, so I'm going to add an a to both sides. So I have 2a minus 1 equals 15. I need to get a by itself, so I add a 1 to both sides. 2a equals 16. A is multiplied by 2. I divide by 2, and I get a equals 8. And if I went up here and substituted, I would have 8 minus 1, which would be 7. So I'd have the square root of 7 equals, and over here I'd have 15 minus 8, which would give me 7. Radical 7 equals radical 7. That's true. Our answer fits in there and makes it true. Okay. Let's do this one with a fraction. So I'm going to square both sides. The radical signs cancel out, so I have x minus 4 equals 63 minus 2x. Before we can get our x's on the same side, we need to deal with this divided by 4. So we're going to multiply both sides by 4. These 4 cancel. 4 times 63 is 2, carry a 1, 252. Minus 2x. I'm going to get all my x's on one side, so I'm going to add a 2x to both sides, which gives me 3x here and 252 behind the equal sign. Okay. X is multiplied by 3, so I'm going to divide by 3, and I get 84. Use a calculator if you need to. Okay, but this is back to solving like we did in the beginning of the first semester. Okay, so when it's a square root equals a square root, you just square both sides and have a basic equation left to solve. Okay, any questions, let me know.